Hi everyone, welcome back to Streamy Chill. My name is Sammy. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. Now, as some of my friends know, I do not like to bake. Not at all. I'm not a big fan of measuring things and being exact. That's why I like cooking. Because instead of having to do that, you can just kind of base it off flavor. So today, I thought, let's honor National Sponge Cake Day and try to actually bake something. So my friend June, she's off camera right now. Hi, June.
Hello.
Oh, spirit fingers. She's gonna give me instructions on how to make a sponge cake. That was a cat. How to make a sponge cake, and I'll try to follow that recipe, and we'll go from there. It's either gonna be really good, really great, or very mediocre. All the same, really, if you think about it. As you know, over here at Streamy Chill, we do love that tropical flavor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a Pina Colada style whip for it. Oh, there's a kitty right in front of me. Hello. Hello. Which one are you? Go for it. Move your tail. We're gonna do a Pina Colada style whip for the top. We have some coconut rolls to put into it, and we're gonna slice some pineapples as well. This way we have a bit of a Pina Colada style sponge cake. Hopefully it turns out really well, but let's take a look and see how well I do with making measurements first. Let's try it out. Alright, I think we got all our stuff. So June, wish me luck, and tell me what I need to do first.
Ingredients. You're gonna need 6 large eggs at room temp, 1 cup of granulated sugar,
Maybe 1 cup? What?
a pound of, wait, is this the right recipe? It's not the right.
You're reading the wrong one?
I'm reading apple.
Oh my god.
You're gonna need 6 large eggs at room temp, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and half a teaspoon of baking powder.
There you go, half a teaspoon. That makes more sense. Alright. What do I do first?
You're gonna line the bottoms of 2 9-inch cake pans with parchment paper.
Okay. I can do that. I know what I'm doing. I promise. I know what I'm doing.
Are you sure?
No. This is how you do it, right? I haven't even started measuring it. What the hell? Why is it so hard? I think I need a pen.
Oh my god.
Can I have a pen?
You have a Sharpie.
Okay. I'll just make sure not to...
Just cut within the Sharpie.
Yeah. I'm a baker now. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot! I moved it! Alright. I got this. Who would have thought all my art degrees would come with payoff right now?
Sam, cut inside the Sharpie.
I am.
No, like, cut off the Sharpie marks.
I am! Now. Perfect. Now will it fit? Nailed it. There's a cat behind me, isn't there? Oh, hi. Like, do you think when God made cats, he was just like, yeah, let's just make something that doesn't listen to anything. Why are you looking at the camera? Get it! Oh, it worked!
You're gonna beat up 6 large eggs for 1 minute on high speed in a bowl.
Okay, beat 6 eggs. Is that the same as whisking, or is it? Was that money? Money shot.
It says for 1 minute on high speed, and then with the mixer on, you're gonna gradually add 1 cup of sugar and continue beating 8 to 10 minutes until thick and fluffy.
I don't know, maybe it's enough for a cup. What's a cup? Like a cup is like a mug, right? Oh! Oh! No, it wasn't a cup. I guess this will just be a less sweet cake. It's almost a cup. Let's try that. It's okay. We Asians, we love things when it's not too sweet. If you ever hear a compliment from an Asian person eating a dessert and they go, "Oh, not too sweet, not too sweet," that's a compliment. That's a compliment. Not too sweet, not too sweet. We got eggs. All right, here we go. I'm gonna beat it. Okay, I think we got it. Ooh. What's the next step?
Okay, and then
Yes.
you're going to quickly get together a cup of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then sift it into the egg mixture 1/3 at a time.
Am I doing it right? How do you level it? Definitely not a divot inside this. 1 cup! So I heard the point of the lid right here and the mouth being like this is so that when you scoop your baking powder out, you can just whoop. Bro. What is sift?
You should have sifted the flour into the thing and then added your baking powder. So it's already sifted.
I thought you did.
Nope, I said exactly how it's supposed to be.
Why is baking so hard? I thought you were sifting the flour into the eggs, that's why.
No. Well, yeah, that too. 1/3 at a time.
We'll make it work. Oh, what the heck? Get it! I've got another one! 1/3. That's about 1/3. Sift it, sift it, sift, 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 sift. Sift, 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 sift. Fold it in. Fold it in. Look, I'm sifting like a pro though. I'm looking for flour. Oh, there's some. Please do this right. Perfect. While we're baking, what we're gonna do is start getting ready to make. We're gonna start getting ready to make the toppings for the sponge cake itself. We're gonna make a heavy cream whipped with pineapples and coconut flavoring that we talked about earlier, that Pina Colada. You've seen how we made heavy whip before in some of our other recipes, such as our butterbeer. But what we want to do is show you how we do it for this one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of pineapple juice to it. We're gonna use some vanilla extract. We'll put a little bit of this Captain Morgan Loco Nut coconut rum mixture into it, so it's a little bit more crazy. Why are you laughing at me? Because I can't say loco nut. Coconut. How do you
said
say
it funny.
How do you say coconut? Coconut. And then of course the heavy cream.
3 days later.
It's pretty thick. I mean, it's pretty thick. Try a little bit. That pineapple comes at the very beginning and then it kind of fades away. The coconut's very subtle this time now. Interesting. I like it. What do you think?
It's not too sweet.
Not too sweet. As we wait for the sponge cakes to actually finish baking, what we're going to do is finish up with the toppings. We made the heavy cream already. What we're going to do now is we're going to chop up our pineapples into slices so we can decorate both the inside of the sponge cake as well as the top part. You've seen us cut a pineapple before, so make it fancy. Looks like the cakes are done baking. We let them cool down for just a little bit. What we're gonna do now is try to go ahead and get them off the baking pan. Is it a baking pan? The baking pan, and flip them over and let them cool down a little bit more before we put the cream in. That way the cream doesn't melt in between these spongy buns. Hopefully I don't mess this up. On top of it, and it'll flip over. So let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ow! Yeah! It worked! Ooh, 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 kill him! I'm a baker. Right? Looks good. Juna's like holding her laughter right now because she's so impressed. Alright, we did all the baking. I think I did a phenomenal job. Right, June? She agrees in silence. All that's left is tasting. So let's see how this tastes. I'm gonna cut it real beautiful. By the way, you ever seen those videos where they cut cake all weird shaped? Should I do that? Oh, June's like, no. Okay, we'll just do it regularly. Yeah, take it. It's for you.
Oh.
Alright, guys. Now it's a taste test. Right. Cheers! Mmm. Yummy. Wow, it's really good. The sponge cake isn't dry. And even the parts that have a little bit of dryness to it, the whipped cream that we made for it is fantastic. It works really well. You know, the coconut rum that we use, it has just a little bit of that afterbite at the end of it where it kind of, I don't know, melts away in the cream as you taste it. Because there's a slight sharpness from the pineapple flavor at the very front. It mellows out immediately into the cream and the creaminess of it. And then at the very end, you have this lingering coconut flavor, which goes really well, especially with this sponge cake or genoise cake right here. I really like it. What do you think, Jin?
Really good.
Mmm. My mouth is full. Moist.
Sponge cake is good by itself. And the cream's really good too. Not too sweet.
Not too sweet. Well, there you have it, folks. Sorry, we're gonna be enjoying this for a little bit, but hopefully you like the recipe. Hopefully you support me in my endeavors with baking. I'll try something else after this. I know there's things I can fix here and there. Maybe this was in the oven a little too long, but this is really good, especially for a first try. But if you liked what we did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us how you think about your feelings. How do you feel today? You doing okay? Well, if you don't, make some cake. All right, thanks everyone. See you next time. Bye.